नेक्स्ट स्टेज इज इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एज ए कोड. एज ए बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस हम इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को कभी भी मैनुअली सेटअप नहीं करते, उसके लिए हम कोड यूज़ करते हैं जिसे कहते हैं इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एज ए कोड. बेसिकली इट कंटेन two tools, two service, which is Terraform and Ansible. In a simple term, Terraform is used for provisioning the infrastructure, like if you want to create a VPC, subnet, EC2, security group, or any other resources in AWS, you can use a Terraform. And if you want to configure that service under that server, you need to use a Ansible, like install nginx. So some if you want to install Docker, like contain any, start any service, or configure any user, so we use Ansible. In Terraform, you should learn what is HCL, providers, resources, variable, output, what is state file, modules, remote backend, S3 backend, and different set of Terraform command. And next, Terraform state. What is the state? Like it contain, like store the information of the infrastructure, and it track basically what's going to change, what should be updated, what should be destroyed. And in remote backend, so basically it prevent two people changing the infrastructure at the same time. So it contain with the S3 combination of S3 and DynamoDB service. In Ansible topics, you should learn inventory, playbook, task, handler, variables, roles, and SSH connection. In simple term, I can say that Terraform and Ansible, Terraform create VPC, subnet, and security group and EC2, and Ansible configuring that service under the server. Like if you want to install nginx service and set up firewall or configure the user under the server, we can use Ansible. In this lab, you can build both these stages, like a Terraform Ansible. You can provision the VPC, security group, subnets, and if you want any other resources, you can use a Terraform for that. And you can take a sample of deploying any application on EC2. You can use Ansible. At last, in GitHub, you can push your project under GitHub to showcase.